Hi, this is Heidi from 303 Smiles, and we're here to show you how to file your retainers. So first, you can wash your hands first, and then wash your retainers, and then dry them up a bit, and then you're ready to file them. So now you can get the retainers and choose where you wanna trim it down, where the area you want it. There you go. And then go get the file, and then you can file them like that one. Just make sure to round the corners, and you can file it slowly, and then make sure just to before you're done, you can round it off, and then you can check with your fingers, run through it so there's no sharp corners. And if it's all good, you can wash your retainers again, and then you can put it back on to check if it's all good. And that's all for today. Thank you.